Hello students, welcome to the ASPN classes. We are going to discuss area of the triangle by using determinant method. Okay, area of the triangle, I think already you know that how to find out the area of the triangle, but using determinant today I am going to discuss finding the area of the triangle. So when the triangle is given whose vertices are also given, it means what are the result vertices? A point is x1 y1, B point is x2 y2 and C point is x3 y3. Then take out the determinant method, here directly applying the formula only. Okay, so but answers are getting here same. Okay, let us start the examples. Okay, first question, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are, okay, 3 vertices already given here. We have to find out the area of the triangle, that is also by using determinant method. Okay, so let us start this. What are the vertices here? 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1. 3 vertices are given. So now write here the area of the triangle is given by delta is equals to 1 by 2 into bracket. So first you write on the formula better. So x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1. At least you write the formula, it means you get the 1 marks here. Okay, next simplification you are filling it means again you get 1 more marks. Okay, so now you have to go and simplify this 1 by 2 into bracket. So what is the x1 here? This is your x1 3 and 8. First thing is what you have to write on the last column result 1 1 1. Is that clear? So now you have to write on the points. So first point is what? 3 and 8. Second point minus 4 and 2. Third point 5 and 1. Correct? So now you have to go and simplify, evaluate this determinant value and multiply it with 1 by 2. That is your area of the triangle. Okay. So now you have to simplify this. Okay. So now you have to simplify this result. Expansion along with the any one row you have to take. Better I am going to take R1 row only. What are the sign here? Plus minus plus. Okay, take it here. So 3 into bracket, first row first column cancel, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into 1 is 1. Next sign is minus 8 into bracket. So now 8 you have to take, it means for middle column and first row cancel, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Next sign is minus 5 into 1 is 5. Next plus 1 into bracket. So these two are cancel, 4 into 1 minus 4. Again minus 2 into 5, it means 10 minus 10. Okay, so here you don't forget to write here delta is equals to 1 by 2, always you have to write on. Okay, see already there, no, this 1 by 2, write it as it is here, then you write on the simplification, and delta is equals to this 1 by 2, write on as it is. Now you have to write this 3 into 2 minus 1, it means what is the answer? 1 is the answer, plus minus 8 minus 4 minus 5 means minus 9 plus 1 into minus 4 and minus 10 minus 14. Okay, so delta is equals to again 1 by 2 as it is 3 minus plus 72 plus minus 14 into 1 is 14. Okay, next delta is equals to 1 by 2 into 72 plus 3, it means 75. 75 minus 14, it means 61 is the answer. Okay, so delta is equals to, you get the answer 61 divided by 2. Okay, so 61 by 2, it means after that you are dividing 2, it means what is the answer? 30.5 approximately, you get this is the answer. So it means you have to write on this is a 30.5 square units. Write it means now it is completely, you get the 2 marks. Okay, in your exercise 4.3 question number first, observe here, find the area of the triangle with vertices at the point given each of the following questions here. First you have to given 3 points, 3 questions are there, so you go and find out. I am going to start the third question. We are going to find out in the area of the triangle. Okay, first what is the formula? Determinant of 1 by 2 delta is equals to 1 by 2. Here the last columns you have to write it 1 1 1, and first point is what? Minus 2 comma minus 3, second point 3 comma 2, third point minus 1 comma minus 8. Okay, expansion along with the R1 you have to take it and find out the values. 1 by 2 write it as it is. R1 you take, it means what are the sign? Plus minus plus. So first row first column cancel, 2 in first you write it here minus 2. So 2 into 1 is 2 minus minus 8 minus plus 8. Next minus this minus plus 3 is the answer, and then remaining result is what? So these two are cancelled, so middle column and the first row get cancelled. 3 into 1 is 3, minus minus plus 1, then plus 1 into bracket, these two are cancelled. 3 into 8 minus 24 and minus plus 2. Is it clear? So next you go and simplify this, all the results. Minus 2 plus 8 means 10, plus 3 into this is 4, plus 1 into 24 minus 24 plus 2, it means minus 22. 1 by 2. So minus 2 into 10, it means minus 20 is the answer. And next plus 3 into 4 is 12 and this is minus 22. And finally observe here, 20 and minus 22 is minus 42. Minus 42 plus 12, it means 30. Minus 30 is the answer. Okay, so minus 30, it means you go and simplify, you get the answer is minus 15. So minus 15, you are finding area, it means, so you don't take it negative values. So the answer finally you have to write it here, positive result, 50 square units. This question observe here. Find the value of k. The area of the triangle is 4 square units. Variables are given here. 2 examples are given. First example is, what is the answer? Question that given here, 3, 0, 4, 0, 0, 2. Okay. So this area already they given here. Area of the triangle is, what is the answer? 4 square units. So whenever they given area, it means you take it always a plus or minus. Okay. So the triangle value is also given, then points also given, then you have to find out this k points. Okay, what is the procedure? First you write the formula, delta is equals to 1 by 2 into, so what is the results? First column write it 1, 1, 1 and points k, 0, 4, 0, 0, 2, correct? And this answer is also already given. What is the result? 4 square unit, plus or minus 4 you have to write it. Okay. So next here I continue, write it plus or minus 4 and 1 by 2. Expansion along with, better you take this results, because 2 zeros already there, no? Calculation is very simple. So expansion along with column 2 I am going to take. What are the sign column 2? Minus, plus, minus. So here also get the minus sign. Okay, write it here, minus 2 into bracket. So minus 2 in middle column and third row get cancelled. K into 1 is k, minus 4 into 1 is 4. I think all of you understand this. I am going to take 2 as a result. It means the second column and third row get cancelled. For k into 1 is k, minus 4. And then you go and simplify this, plus or minus 4, 1 by 2 as it is. Here minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied here, minus 2 into k, minus plus 2 into 4 is 8 is the answer. Okay. So next step is what? You take out the case 1 and that time plus 4 you have to take it. So in that case you have to write it first, plus 4 I am going to take. What is the result? 1 by 2 into 2k plus 8. So this is minus 2k. So 2 first you shifted here, it means 8 is the answer, minus 2k plus 8. Okay. So minus 2k you take out this side and plus 8 you have to shift it this side. It means this is 2k is equals to 8 minus 8. It means you get the answer is 0. Then 2k is equals to 0. Then k is also equals to 0 is the answer. When you are taking the result plus 4. Same result you take it minus 4. Then what is the answer? Again 1 by 2. Here minus 2k plus 8. So 2 again you shift it, means minus 8. So minus 2k plus 8. Okay. So now this result you have to shift it this side, minus it will be plus 2k, and minus 2k minus 8 you shifted this side, means plus 8. 8 plus 8 16. Then k is equals to 16 and 2 also shifted here 2. It means you get the answer is 8. So k is equals to 8. So 2 answers are correct here. K value is 0 and as well as 8. Same as it is second question, you take it as a homework. Okay. Okay. Next, fourth question. Find the equation of the line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinant method. So what are the points are given? You have to find out in the equation of the line. It means the points are 1, 2 and 3, 6. 2 points are given here. Suppose you take it, this is the line. Here is the A point and here is the B point. Okay, so A point is given 1, 2, B point is given 3, 6. in this case you have to take it one more point in the same line. So write it here, that point I am going to denote C. That C point generally I am going to denote x comma y. We do not know that point, just I am going to denoting here. So why I am going to taking the C point, it means, see, observe in this question we have to find the equation of the line joining the points. That is also using determinant method. In determinant method, what you are knowing? Area of the triangle method. Area of the triangle formula already you know that. So area of the triangle, it means you take it the ABC triangle results. What is the area of the triangle? 0. So now you can apply this formula. Okay. See, observe here, delta is equals to 1 by 2 into determinant. Here 1 1 1 you have to write. And what is the first pointer? 1 comma 2. Second pointer 3 comma 6, third pointer x comma y. I am taking these are the 3 points. It means, so what is the area of this result? 0 only, correct? Because these 3 points are collinear points. So that's why this result is 0. Okay, now you have to go and simplify this. Here 1 by 2. So expansion along with R1 only you take it here. 1 into bracket, first row first column get cancelled. 6 into 1 is 6 minus y. Next minus 2. So minus 2, these two are cancelled. 3 into 1 is 3 minus x plus 1 into bracket 3 into y, it means 3y minus 6x. Now it is clear? Okay. So it means this delta is equal to, what is the answer? 0. I am going to write it here. Okay, now you have to make it the simplification completely. 0, write it as it is. 1 by 2 also. So 6 minus y. After multiplied 1, it means same answer. Then minus 2 multiplied here. 2 into 3, it means 6 minus minus plus 2x, and 1 multiplied means same answer, 3y minus 6x, correct? So next step up. Okay. So after that you take it here 0 as it is, so that 1 by 2 also write it as it is. This plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled. Then what is remaining? Minus y and plus 3y. It means this is the result is plus 2y. Next plus 2x minus 6x. It means minus 4x. Here again I am taking 2 common factor. Okay, take it here 2 common factor in bracket. So 2 I am taking common factor. This is y minus 2x. Now this 2 get cancelled. So finally what is remaining? Y is equals to minus 2x. So minus 2x you have to shift it this side. What you get the equation? Y is equals to 2x. So now you get this equation is the equation of the line joining the 2 points formula. Up to here you complete it, means you get the completely 2 marks. Okay. So question number 4, second question you take it as a homework, same type as it is already solved. No? Here also find the equation of the line joining the points are given. Okay, take it this one question as a homework. Next example observe here. This is your solved example, example number 18. Okay, so you observe here. Find the equation of the line joining the point A is 1 comma 3 and B is 0 comma 0 using determinants, and find k if d is equals to, d is what is the point here? K comma 0 is a point such that area of the triangle ABD is 3 square units. Here 2 questions are there here. Okay, so first question is what? Find the equation of the line joining the point. You have to find out the equation of the line, you have to find out using these 2 points, that is also using determinant method. And second, one more question, same 2 point you consider A, B, and one more point is given here D also, K comma 0, that K value you have to find out in this case. Okay, so first thing is what? Finding the equation of the line joining point. Okay, so after that you are going and find out in the K value. Okay, so let us start this. Okay, observe here, first what they given here, 2 points are given. What are the 2 points? A and B point. So what is A pointer? 1 comma 3, B pointer have to take it 0 comma 0. So you find the equation of the line joining, you have to find out, that is also using determinant. Using determinant means you know that triangle formula, already you know the area of the already you know that. Okay, so using determinant means area of the triangle formula how to apply here. So area of the triangle, I think 3 points are required. So I am going to take it here one more point, that is C point I am going to take. That C point is x comma y I am going to denoting here. Okay, so now you consider ABC triangle, what is the area? 0 only. So okay, take out this result, the triangle 1 by 2, last column write it 1 1 1, and here first 2 result is what? First pointer 1 comma 3, second 0 comma 0, third point x comma y. Is it clear? Okay, so now go and find out this determinant answer is what is the result? 0 only, because area of the these 3 lines, because these 3 lines are these 3 points are collinear points. The collinear point, it means that area is always 0 only. Okay, so now I am going to take delta value is 0 and here 1 by 2 in bracket. Okay, so expansion you have to take it here. Better I am going to take the expansion along with this row because we have 2 0 already there, no? So what are the signs here? Minus, plus, minus. Correct? Okay, so minus, plus, minus, it means this result is only minus only. Okay, so minus, it means you start with minus 1 into bracket. So middle row and the last column get cancelled. 1 into y is y minus x into 3 is 3x. Okay, 2 here divided by this. So 2 divided by shifted this side multiplied. 2 into 0 is, it means 0 is the answer. Okay, so then minus 1 multiplied here, minus 1 into y is minus y minus minus plus 3x. And minus y again you shifted this side, it means what you get? Y is equals to 3x. So y is equals to 3x is your equation of the line joining these 2 points by using determinant method. Is it clear? Okay, so let us come to the one more question also there, no, here. So what is the one more question here? Find k value, the d point is given here. Okay, I am going to take it here. One more point is what? D, that is a k comma 0. So k comma 0, it means now you have to take this is here triangle. So this triangle area is what given already here. Observe area of the triangle ABD is a 3 square unit already they given. So this triangle area. So write it here. Area of the triangle ABD is 3 square unit already given. So when area is given, it means you take it here plus or minus. Okay, so now go and simplify triangle formula. So determinant here 1 1 1, here don't forget here, write it 1 by 2. First point is what? Again this is 1 comma 3. Second point is 0 comma 0. Third point here D you have to take it here. Okay, so D, it means what is the answer? K comma 0. Now you have to find out the k value. Okay, delta value is what given here? 3, no? So plus or minus 3 how to take it. Why you take plus or minus? I think you understand this. Okay. Okay. So next thing is what? 3 as it is you write here 1 by 2. So now you are going to take it again the same expansion you have to take it in the second row only. Okay. Simplification is easy. So 1 you take it minus 1 into bracket. So these two are get cancelled. So 1 into 0 is 0. This is minus 0 minus 3k. And 3. 2 you have to shift at this side. What is the answer? This result 3 into 2 is 6 only. Okay, plus or minus 6 is equals to minus 1 and this is 0, leave it here. Again multiply 0, same answer. This minus minus plus, this result is 3k. Now you have to take it first case plus 6 you have to take out and find out the k value. And k is equals to 3 shifted here, it means 6 by 3, 2 is the answer. It means k value is 2. When you take it x value, 6 determinant value, this is 6 plus 6 you take it, means you get the answer k value is 2. And one more case, suppose you take it k value is minus 6 and then minus 6 k you have to shift it this side, 3k is equals to minus 6 and then k is equals to minus 6 by 3, it means k is equals to minus 2. So these two are the answers. Question number 5th, observe it here. If area of the triangle is 35 square units with vertex 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 4 and k comma 4, then k is, okay, so what are the vertexes they are given here? 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 4, k comma 4. Okay, so now you have to find out the k value and already given delta is equals to 35. So delta is equals to 35 means you understand here, you take out the area is plus or minus 35. Okay, so now you have to write down the delta is equals to 1 by 2 into bracket, last column is 1 1 and what is the points? 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 4, k comma 4. This result delta is equals to what they given, plus or minus 35. Okay, so now I have to go and simplify this, plus or minus 35, write it as it is, this result also as it is. Okay, so expansion along with the first row only take it here, 2 into what are the sign, plus or minus a plus, right? So 2 into bracket, 4 into 1 is 4, again 4, minus minus plus 6, so these two are cancelled. It means 5 into 1 5 minus k, again plus 1 into bracket 5 into 4 is 24k. Is it clear? So next step, observe here, 35 plus or minus 1 by 2 into, so 4 minus 4, it means this result is 0 only, plus 6 multiplied here, 30 minus 6k plus plus 20 minus 4k. Okay, again you may also go and simplify this 35 1 by 2 into bracket 30 and plus 20, it means 50 is the answer, and minus 6k minus 4k, it means minus 10k. Okay, here you take it the 10 as a common factor. Okay, after taking 10 common factor, so what is remaining, observe. I am going to take here 10 common factor, you write here plus or minus 35, 10 I am taking common factor, here remaining 5 minus k, correct. So 2 1s are 2 5s are, again here remaining 5. So 5 is the multiplication, take out this side means divisible, so 35 divided by 5, 5 minus k, correct. So 5 1s are 5, 7s are, so plus or minus 7, 5 minus k. Now you take it the first sign plus 7, 5 minus k, so minus k shifted here and 7 you shifted this side, means 7 minus 7 plus 5, it means minus 2 you get. So k is equals to, one answer you get minus 2, and similarly you take it the minus 7, 5 minus k, it means minus k shifted here plus k, minus 7 is shifted here plus 5, k is equals to 12. So k is equals to minus 2 and k is equals to 12. This is your answer.